Very good evening to all. Hope my voice loud and clear to everyone and my screen also visible to everyone. Just give me a quick confirmation, folks, so I can understand. Yes, I am audible and screen also visible, right? Thank you. Yes, thank you. Folks, yesterday we started first class, right? First session we can say that is depend on what is AWS. Okay. So before starting a session, again, if you want a content, so kindly scan this QR code, you will get a content. Okay. And apart from that, we have another thing, support email IDs and contact number. If you are facing any issues, so I'll request to everyone, kindly go and connect with these numbers and email ID. Okay. So what happened? You will get a better results. Yes. Now we'll move to today's agenda and yesterday's topic, what we'll discuss yesterday. So we'll start it to understand what is AWS. Okay. And we'll move slowly to the modules of AWS. That is nothing but what IaaS, infrastructure as a service, then platform as a service, and we'll understand what is software as a service, right? With the real-time examples, we can say how it will work. And we'll understand if your organization is going and selecting where our recordings day one. I think, Anusha, if you are connected with that WhatsApp group, so in that group yesterday itself, they shared that link, right? Have you connected with that group, WhatsApp group 162? No. Okay. So not an issue. I'll share that link again. I'm not on the WhatsApp group. Okay. Not an issue, folks. So this is a link. I'll copy that link and I'll share again. So just register. Okay. Register yourself with that URL and kindly confirm. It is okay. Yeah. Just try and yes, just try. If it is working, it's very good. Otherwise, what you have to do, again, I'll request to everyone, if you are facing any issues, so kindly call these numbers on working time, working hours, or you can send a mail to the support email ID. They will guide you. Most of the time, what happened, that group have some limitations. So maybe you will not able to join and all. So that's why yesterday, after completing this session, they will upload the recordings on YouTube, right? First 5 days, that is free for everyone. And that recordings are available on the YouTube channel, right? But after that, if you registered, so what you will do, you will get one LMS portal. Okay. Through that LMS portal, here it is mentioned. Yeah. In that line, all the sessions recordings and notes, because after upcoming means from today only itself, I am sending some notes also, right? So that's notes also you will get in LMS only. So that's why if you are registering, well, now these are the numbers and email ID. Kindly join that WhatsApp group, so you will get a latest notification. What's going on? How many what we say sessions are going on? If anything is going wrong, that also you will get updates. It's for update only. Yeah. Now we are discussing about yesterday's topic. So we understand what is infrastructure as a service, what is platform as a service, and where we have to go and select the software as a service. So we have the 3 types of modules, and we'll understand in infrastructure as a service, what is the responsibility of Amazon and what's from your side. Whatever PPTs also we will discuss, that PPTs also you will get in LMS portal. Okay, so everything is available in that LMS. Yes. Platform as a service, how many things managed by the AWS and what is the responsibility as users, as well as last module, that is software as a service. And we'll understand little bit, depend on 3 cloud providers, Amazon, Microsoft Azure or Google. How many companies are connected with this, and little bit about these companies and all, little bit about that in cloud service providers detail. Okay, now folks, today what we have to learn, we know what is the cloud, why companies are migrating, why companies are moving to the cloud, everything we know in a deep dive way. Now today we will understand if we need to work as an infrastructure as a service engineer. Okay, so you know how to start your services. That is the important thing that we need to learn, and that's why we are here. So today we will start a point with agenda. I'll show you that. Today we will try to understand the concept of how to create new AWS account, because without AWS account you can't practice. You know theoretical concept, yes, that is called EC2, that is VPC, that is Route 53, everything you know about the theoretical concept, but practical hands-on is required, right? So for that folks, what you have to do, we need one account. So today we will discuss how to create account. Same methods for corporate account. If you are creating account for your organization and your company to start services in AWS, or testing account, just like a practice that is free for you, we'll discuss again. Okay, and it is for practices. So first thing is nothing but what, how to create a new AWS account. First we'll discuss this. Now we'll move to the next one, that is called understanding EC2 services. Okay, yeah, we'll understand how EC2 services will work and what is the meaning of EC2. We'll understand today's topic. Then while going and while creating EC2 instance, at the time we'll understand how we can start our first Windows machine in cloud on AWS cloud, right? And how to log in, and small concept of key pair and how to connect. So today we will understand two things. First, how to create an account. After understanding of creating account, if time is remain, then we'll go and we'll understand what is Amazon machine, Windows machine on AWS, how to start. Okay, how you can launch first server in AWS, we'll discuss. So hope everybody will understand what is today's agenda, what we have to cover. Yes, is it clear to everyone, folks? All of you? Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay, now next thing what we have to discuss, to work with AWS services, folks. To understand, to start working with AWS, we require account. Why? Because that system is not available in front of us. So what we have to do, we have to go and we have to create our free tier account. Okay, so from today itself we are starting a practicals. Just yesterday, because it's the first day, so that's why it's little bit what we say intro part, we can say. But from today it is practical base. And folks, you know about that, Saturday and Sundays off, we don't have lectures on Saturdays and Sundays. So what I'll recommend to you, just go and practice. Not able to log in, sorry for interrupting you again. Where you are login, where you are trying to log in? WhatsApp group. Okay, so not an issue. Just that's why I told you what happened, that WhatsApp group maybe sometime will not work. Okay, so just try to connect with support team, they will guide you. Okay, that's why that numbers or email IDs are there. Have you taken the screenshot, or may I go to that link again? Showing like that group does not exist. I don't think so. It will be there. Just give me a minute. Yeah, just give me a minute. Sorry for interruption, folks. Okay, not an issue. I don't have any updated links. So I'll request to you, kindly connect with support team. Okay. Yeah. So this is the email ID and contact numbers. You can call in the working hours only, and you can send a mail anytime. So you will get a response from the support team. Yes. So just take a screenshot of that. So easily you can connect with that. Yes. Thank you. Now, I think yesterday's link. So I can share in the chat box, so you will get better idea. Or anyone is connected with that group, folks? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Teju. So it is for WhatsApp or that recordings? What is that it is? WhatsApp. Okay, not an issue. So yeah, you can go and you can register, because you will get the update on that group only. Or if someone's have yesterday shared link, recording links, kindly share in the group. Now, so we are discussing about the creating account. Okay. So you have today and tomorrow holiday. So I'll request to everyone, just go and create AWS account. What we are discussing first thing. So next chapter, whatever next sessions are going on, because day by day we are moving to the services. We are understanding what is the services and what are the features of that. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, Dilip. So that we'll discuss, and yes, we'll understand how we can do that. That's why I'll recommend to everyone, just go and create account with today's step. That is compulsory require. If you want, definitely you have to go and you have to create. Yes. Now, to creating an account, it is nothing but what corporate account we can say, or it is nothing but what personal account. Some prerequisitions we have to understand. Okay, what is that? Yes, you need one email ID, folks. To create an account, we need one email ID, working email ID, because AWS will cross check your email ID. It will send a notification, or we can say verification link in your email ID. Okay, when you click on that verification link, then only your next process will start. That is the first thing. Second, you need mobile number, compulsory require. Why? Because some verification codes are coming in the mobile number. That's why, nothing else. Finally, we need a address proof. Okay, so that three things are required. Apart from that, folks, one another thing, that is nothing but what? Credit card and debit card. Why? Because when you are going to create an account, free tier account, I'm talking about free tier account. So Amazon will deduct 2 rupees, folks. Okay. Yeah. 2 rupees from your account. And if you are from a different country, so $1. Okay. Yeah. 2 rupees, or we can say $1 from your account. And after that, they will return also that for authentication purpose. And that's why you are using credit card or debit card. And I'll show you which type of card is acceptable. Okay, RuPay card is not acceptable, or maybe some cases RuPay cards also allow if international transaction is on in that card. Most of the time we can use Visa and MasterCards. Okay, yeah. Maybe you have one question. If we are adding credit card or debit card detail, and if we used extra services and Amazon is send a bill, so can amount automatic what we say debit from my credit card or debit card? So answer is no. Without your paying, first AWS will send you a bill after completing a month. You have to pay. By default, no amount will deduct from your account. It is registered only for authentication purpose. It will add your credit card detail and debit card detail only for authentication purpose, nothing else. So don't worry about that. If you will get a bill of $400, then also no worry. Amazon will not deduct any amount from your card. They will send you a notifications bill, you have to pay. If you are not paying, not an issue. Amazon will block your account, disable and then block. But by default, no amount will deduct from your card, folks. And we'll discuss how you can waive off your bill. Okay. Yeah. In my class, most of the users, or we can say participants, are using YouTube channels. Okay, so in that YouTube channels, what happens, some projects are there, mini projects and all. So in that projects, folks, some paid services also be available, right? They are not discussing about always free services. Sometimes one or two services, paid services also available. So you started that service, but you forget to close that service. And when you understand when bill will generate after a month, so what you have to do? So no worry, you can raise a small request with Amazon and Amazon will waive off entire bill. Okay, entire amount, what you will get. Why? Because you are using free tier account. Okay, so we'll discuss that thing. So this is the prerequisitions. Yes, we will discuss. Just wait for some time. Yeah, we'll discuss what is the limits and all. So this is the requirement, folks, what you need to create an account. Okay, so one email ID, mobile number, address proof, and credit card or debit card. Yeah, that's it. Now, if you have that thing, so we can go and we can create an account. Now, we'll discuss how to do that and what are the limitations and all. So come to the practical and open any browser, whatever you are using, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Brave, whatever. Just open new tab and type a website that is called aws.amazon.com. It is a website, folks. This website is available for login, and same website is available to complete a registration process, we can say, or create an account. Okay, so you can see here, it is showing me two options. First is showing sign in, second is showing complete sign up. Okay, so just think about it. If you are the first time you are creating an account, so what you have to do, you have to click on complete sign up process. Okay, so just click on complete sign up process. Yeah, when you click on that, sorry, it is in sign in screen, so I'll open in incognito window. Yeah, okay, now I'm typing here aws.amazon.com. Now you will get an option, create an account. Okay, yeah, create an AWS account and get start with free. Okay, so detail is available, just forget about it and click on get start for free. Create a free tier account. Okay, yeah, just click on that. Here detail is available, types of offer, what is that? It is a free trial account. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Some services is free, some services are paid. We'll discuss in upcoming sessions how many services are free and which type of services are paid. Okay, so sometime, for example, some paid service we are using, so for half an hour, 15 minutes, Amazon will not charge you anything. So don't worry about that. But definitely, this service is working lots of time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. So definitely they will charge you. Okay, so that's why it is a first is it's a free tier account. Second, it is free for 12 months, 1 year. Okay, if you are creating an account, so it is not like Azure will give you the amount, some Indian rupees, or we can say some dollar, $200 and something, but that is only for 1 month. When your account will create, only 1 month you can use that amount, and after that only free services you can use it. Some services, not all. But Amazon is saying maximum services have a free limit. Okay, so you can use that free limit. So what is the total limit, folks? It's a 12 month. When account is created, till 12 months you can use that account. Okay, and most of these services always free. Okay, yeah, this free tier offer do not expire and are available all AWS customer. It is for everyone. It is not for only Indian people. It is not for UK, everyone. If you have, you can go and you can create it. Okay, yeah, we'll discuss about the services and all, what is the limit and all. But to create account, what you have to do, just click on create a free tier account. Okay, yeah, click on that link and it will ask you to type a root user email address and your account name. As I told you, first condition is nothing but what? Email ID is required. Okay, yeah, so first you have to go and you have to click on add email address. Okay, now next thing, you have to go for the AWS account name. Type your email address and account name. Folks, I'll recommend to you. Okay, it's from my side, it's not recommended by the AWS and all. Your account is available only for 1 year, right? That free tier account. So what I recommend to you, just create your temporary account. Okay, with temporary use, we can say. So after this 1 year, you can close that account. That's why. So for example, what I am using, for example, AWS course, for example, after that, I am typing today's date, for example, 28/07/23. So I can understand this account will work till 28/07 and 24. After that, I am not using this account because after 1 year, it will paid account. It is not free. Okay, so I am creating first Gmail account with that name. Okay, and after that, you can go for next thing, or instead of AWS course, you can write it your name also, right? For example, Zubair 28/07/23 at gmail.com, right? So that is the example. I am using same example, so I can understand. No need to remember when we start the services, which year, which date, or which month we started that. No need to understand that thing. Okay, that's why. After 1 year, again, free tier account can be renewed. No. What you have to do is just forget about that email ID and AWS account. Create another email ID with same mobile number, not an issue. Only email ID should be different. Card, if you are using same, not an issue. Again, it will work till 1 year. Okay, yeah. So after 1 year, what you have to do, just forget about this Gmail ID also, as well as AWS account. Yes, hope it is clear to everyone, folks. Yes, all of you, please give me a quick confirmation, or any question regarding that you can ask, not an issue. Yeah, thank you so much. My pleasure, Dilip. Now next thing, if you are typing your email ID and your name, your account name, no, Anusha, it is not for the same, because Azure have a different protocols. One card is used for creating one account, so next time you can't use that account, and that work only for 1 month, not for other one, right? Yeah, yes, so everyone have that different limit, right? So based on the protocol, we can't say it is not for the GCP also. GCP also have their own credentials. They are giving you some credit. Okay, but again, card is registered in your account and all, so little bit different things are there. Okay, yeah. So now for AWS, first create Gmail account. Through that Gmail account, create AWS account, and after 1 year, forget that both account also. Right. So what happened? Whatever communication is going on, it will be coming only in this email ID. It will not impact to your personal email ID, whatever you are using for personal communication. Okay. So that's why I'm using this method. So if you want, you can now. After typing your email ID and password here, what you have to do next, okay? After typing email ID and password, just click on, email ID and account name. Click on verify email address. So what happened? Whatever email ID you typed here, Amazon will send a verification mail to this email ID. Okay. And just click on that link. Then only your next step will start. Okay. So already I have an account, so I can't show you how it will work. I have one PDF document. Okay. Yeah. So just pay attention on that PDF document and try to understand what is the next step. Very easy. Just like we are filling some form, nothing else. Okay. So I'll show you that. Yeah. Okay. Now, as I mentioned here, AWS free tier account creation steps. So first go to this URL, aws.amazon.com, and click on create an AWS account. Okay. After that, same, you will get this type of first screen. Here you need to type your email ID and your account name. Okay. Folks, most of the time, what you will see in my dashboard, two employees, two users are always available, Tom and Jerry, because I like to watch that Tom and Jerry Cartoon Networks. So that's why always two employees are available with me. Okay. So that's why I'm typing here a name that is Tom. Okay. So type email ID and account name. So that account name will reflect when you log into this account. Okay. Yeah. Just click on verify email address and you will get a notification email, verification email. Just click on that. After clicking on that, you will get a next screen. In that screen, it will show you steps 1 to 5. After verification, your steps will start, and here you need to type your password and again confirm password. Okay. So set your password. Just like basic conditions are there. One special character, one alphabet, could be uppercase, we can say, and some numbers. So combination of these three password is available. Okay. So type the passwords. After that, come to the next screen. Now, pay attention here, folks. It's little bit important. It will ask you two types of questions. Contact information. It will ask you your accounts. How do you plan to use AWS? Why you are creating this account? Okay. So we have to mention, or we have to tell to the Amazon, hey AWS, I'm using this account for personal use, for my own project. It is not for my business. Okay. If you are selecting business, so definitely Amazon will charge you some amount. It is not free. It will not deduct 2 rupees or $1 from your account. Okay. So make sure you will select a personal option here. Okay. Yeah. After selecting this option, you need to type your full name, your working mobile number, same mobile number, 10 account, you can use it. Not an issue. Mobile number will not that much of what we say, you can use many times. Repetitions are available. Only email ID will not accept. Okay. Yeah. After that, just select your country and address as per your requirement, whatever you have. I'm in India, Hyderabad. So that's why I'm using +91. You are from other countries, so you can use your country mobile number and address. Yeah. So after this, next one, after selecting personal option, go to the next, and you can see it will ask you to fill billing information. And it is clearly mentioned here, folks, we will not charge you for usage below AWS free tier limits. Okay. And it's temporary hold up to $1 or equivalent that amount. So for Indian, it's 2 rupees as a pending transaction for 3 to 5 days. Verify your identity. For that purpose only, they are deducting some amount from your card. And it is mentioned here which card is acceptable, folks. Okay. Yeah. It is clearly mentioned here. First, Visa. Okay. You can see second one is Master and third one is American Express. So this card is acceptable. Now type your account detail here, card detail, numbers, expiry date, your name, CVV number, and your billing address. If you have, you can attach PAN number. If you don't have, not an issue. Okay. Yeah, it's depend on you. Just fill that information and complete the payment process. Okay. So based on your requirement, OTP will generate, or sometime you need to type different method based on your bank. After completing, after paying that thing, next it will ask you to confirm your identity. Okay, so it will show it will send you a text message or voice call to that registered mobile number. That's why I told you email ID as well as mobile number also important. Okay, yeah, you can use same mobile number to create multiple account. They will not ask you to change a mobile number. Okay, yeah. Now finally, after that, yes, you will get this type of window here, folks. It will ask you which type of support plan you want. Your account is created personal, but which type of support you want from Amazon. So what we are saying, hey Amazon, I am what we say beginner stage, so need basic support that could be free. I'm not a developer. If you have, then also you are saying no, I'm not developer support as well as business support. Not require these two options because it is chargeable. You can see, yeah, $29 per month and here $100 per month. So that's why always select basic support it, and it is free. Okay, yeah. So after completing this process, it will ask you again one window that is not captured in this PPT. It will ask you, yeah, after completing this sign up process, next window, yeah, it will ask you two options why you are using this account. So two options are there, two drop down options are there. One, you can select individual or student, and second one, they will ask you what is your target next course. So you can select any course. It's not compulsory you have to select only AWS, you have to select only DevOps. It's not compulsory, any course you can select it. Okay, so next window is not captured here, so that's why I told you after completing this, okay, it will ask you next option. That is nothing but what, two drop down options are there. You can select first option individual or students, second any course. Okay, based on your what we say like, and click select. So after some time, sometimes it will show you your account will activate within 48 hours. Okay, but it will activate suddenly same time, or sometime it will take little bit of time, for example 4 hours also. Okay, so based on the condition or based on the situation, it will change. So don't worry about that if your account is not activated in the same time, because sometimes it will take little bit hours. Yes, so hope it is clear to everyone, folks. If any confusion, any question, please type in the chat box so I can understand, yes, you are going well, or my methods are understandable, right? Or any question regarding that, please ask me. And again, when you are coming on Monday, definitely you need to be come with your free tier account creation part. Then only next services will easy for you. That's why account compulsory require, folks. Yes, is it clear to everyone? Just give me a quick confirmation on the chat box, all of you. Yes, thank you. For AWS SAA sysops, same account, sir. Whatever, if you are going for sysops, if you are going for developer, if you are going for anywhere, AWS is required. If you need to launch your services in the cloud, same method you need to follow for practice, right? Where you will practice. So definitely you need a free tier account. Without free tier account, it is chargeable. So why we have to pay unnecessary amount? That's why we have to go and we have to select free tier account. Yeah. Any other question, folks? Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Yes. So we'll understand once you create the account, every time different account or same account we used. Every time means I'm not clear. Uma Devi means after 1 year, or you are asking about till 1 year. Different course. No need to go for creating a different account. If you are going for AWS course, it could be practitioner, it could be a solution architect, developer, sysops, anything. Only one account, that is nothing but what free tier is sufficient for that. Okay. Yeah. Some of the services are paid. So definitely for paid services, you need some credit, some amount. Just like I'll show you. Just wait. Okay. Yeah. For example, I am logging to my account. Okay. Yeah. aws.amazon.com. I am clicking on sign in. And as I told you, you can see my email ID is different, right? AWS restart 20, no, it is not 26. 27/6 is expired. Yeah, this one. AWS Cloud 27/03/23. So it's created on March 27. So I can understand, yes, my accounts will go still 24th year and 27th of March, right? So it's very easy to understand. That's why. Just click on next, type your password and again click on sign in. Now, when you sign in into the portal, okay, so what happened? It will ask you here, your name is available. Okay, all of you, you can see AWS Cloud name is available here. Just click on that. Okay, after clicking on that, just click on billing dashboard. Okay, now when you click on billing dashboard, you will left hand side, you will see credit option is available. Okay, just click on credit option and you can see in my dashboard, yes, one amount is available. That is nothing but what, $100. And from that $100, I am using some amount is used. So this amount you can use for, yes, paid services, and that services list is here. Okay, now how you can get that amount, right? That credit. So what you have to do, you have to register or you have to cross check that AWS page. Okay, AWS dashboard, amazon.com, and here you can see you will get a notifications. You can see here, try Amazon Redshift serverless, you will get $300 credits. Okay, yeah, or some seminars are going on, some sessions are going on, it will available in that notification only. For example, some 4-hour session is going on. If you attend that session and if you type your valuable feedback, so within 25 days, 40 days, they will send you $100. Okay, so that dollar you can't redeem your account in your bank account, you can redeem in AWS account only. Just like in my account, you can see some credits are available. Okay, so every what we say seminars or some sessions have some credit amount, $25, $50 and all. So this dollar you can use for paid services. Okay, yeah. So hope you will get the idea how you can go and you can purchase credits from AWS to work with different services, paid services we can say, and how to use, how to create AWS account. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, all of you? If any question, please ask me. Yes. Okay. So if you don't have a question, so we'll start and we'll discuss about the next option. Yeah, please ask me, what is the question? Or if you want, you can tell me to unmute. Definitely, I'll unmute you. So you can ask me again some questions, not an issue. If typing is little bit difficult for you, just raise your hand. We can go for that also. Okay. Billing dashboard is little bit confusing, not an issue. We'll discuss again. Right now, just we are focusing on how to create an account. Okay. Yeah. So just forget about that. What is billing dashboard? We'll discuss when services are started. Yeah. Will that credit point can be used for any paid services? Yes. Paid services list is available inside that credit amount. Just click on that list and you will see which service you want to use. If that service name is mentioned in that list, definitely you can use that amount for that services. So most of the services are available inside that. That's why they are giving you the credit to work with paid services. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Any other folks? Kindly give me quick confirmation on the chat box. Is it clear? Yeah. Can we become directly a solution architect, or we have to become a cloud practitioner? No need to go for the practitioner. Direct, you can go for the solution architect. It's not compulsory. Practitioner is required. Then only you can go for the architect. Direct, you can write architect exam. Yeah. Okay. Yes, all of you. Now, if our account is created, so we have to understand little bit of free limit depend on services. Okay. So I'll type again same website. It is nothing but what aws.amazon.com. Click on create an account. Okay. Or just go for get start for free. And you can see in downside. Yeah. I'll paste that link in the chat box. So you also can go through and you can check. Yeah, here services are available, folks. What are whatever services we are discussing here. Okay, so every service have some free tier limit. Okay, you can see here free tier detail. If your account is created and you are using some, what we say, you are creating some server. Okay, so what is that limit? 750 hours per month. Okay, what is your account limit? That is 1 year. Okay, in that 1 year, every month you will get 750 hours every month, just like your mobile recharge. For example, you are going for a mobile recharge for 1 month, whatever amount is there. Okay, so daily you will get 1 GB or 2 GB data, right? If you are completing, not an issue. If you are not completing, then also it will not carry forward to the next day. Next day you will get fresh limit, that is 1 GB or 2 GB based on your recharge, right? Same every month. Amazon will give you 750 hours. If you are using 750 hours, good. If you are not using 750 hours, not an issue. Next month you will get again 750 hours. Okay, so it is nothing but what? To create a server. Next, if you are using storage, and in that storage we are discussing about S3. So what is the limit? That is 5 GB is free, right? Same, we can launch my database server in free tier. So that is also free tier server limit, 750 hours per month of database usage. Okay, and what is that? This is the server numbers, we can say, or engine's name. That engines if you are using, so that is free every month, 750 hours. Then again, DynamoDB, it's a NoSQL database, that is 25 GB free. Then machine learning 2 months, Lambda 1 million request. Okay, Redshift 2 months. So based on your services, multiple options are available, folks. Every service have a free limit. Only few services are there that is not free, that is chargeable. So you can go to that website, whatever is shared with you, and you can anytime understand which service have a free limit and what is that. Yeah. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, all of you. So don't worry about that. Most of these services are free. We are just discussing about that. Whenever we discuss about the service, first we will come to understand that what is the free limit, and then we will start that service name. Okay. Yeah. So hope everyone will understand, right? Yes, I'm not getting any confirmation from your side, folks. Okay. Yes, everyone, please be active, because always, right now it is the second day, not an issue, but from the Monday we can say you have to be active, and you need to sometimes raise your hand. You have to say about that, because see, most of the time what happens, some services are going on, so it's not possible to type in the chat box. So at that time, definitely you need to ask me. Just raise your hand. After completing my point, we will discuss about that. Okay. Yeah. uh, will it show which one is paid service? I'll show you that, or you can search it here. Type your service name. For example, I'll type here one service name, Elastic IP. Yeah. Okay. So it is not available here because it is not free. It is paid. Okay. And it is mentioned here free tier details. What you will get in a free tier account. Okay. So you will get from here, or you can see here product detail is available. So based on that, we'll understand what is the free tier, how we can understand, and what is the method and all. Everything is available, folks. Yeah. So don't worry about that. It's very easy and simple. Just you have to pay attention. Yeah. Now, if your account is ready, so what you will do, you will go inside the account. Same, you need to type your email. First type aws.amazon.com website. Click on sign in. When you click on sign in, you will get two options. First, it is asking you root user. Second, it will ask you IAM user. Okay. So what you have to do, select root account. By default, root account is selected, but again, just cross check, because we don't know right now what is IAM user. That's why just click on root user. So when you click on root user, it will ask you root user email address. You can see here, it will ask you what is your root user email address. Or if you click on IAM user, it will not ask you for the email address. It will ask you username. Just click here, and you can see it is asking you 12-digit account ID. When you are type the ID, then click on next. It will ask you next thing, username and password. Okay. So when click on sign in, kindly click on root user, type your email ID. Okay. Yeah, it is different. And click on next. Then type your password and click on sign in. Yeah. So this is a dashboard of your AWS account, folks, where we can go and we can start the services. So all services, AWS is saying they will provide you more than 200 plus services. Okay. So in the left hand side, you can see services option is available. Just click on that. You will see all the tabs are available. Okay. Yeah. IoT, ML, managing governance, media, migration, robotics, satellites, all the services are available. When you click on particular service, for example, blockchain, so you will get what are the options related to the blockchain. Till now, we have only one in the blockchain. When you click on compute, you will see multiple options are available. When you click on container, these 4 services are available. When you click on database, multiple options are available. Okay, so it is a main tab, and after clicking on main tab, you will get a sub services option. Okay, so all the services, 200 plus services, are available in this tab only. Same dashboard for free tier account, same dashboard for corporate account. Okay, yeah. So after the services, you will see search bar. So if you know the name of that service, so direct you can type service name, and that service related words will come in front of you. Okay, so for example, I am typing RDS. So you can see RDS, AWS FIS, database migration, Kinesis. So related with database, all related options are coming in front of you. So you can select which you want. So that is nothing but what? Search option. After the search option, okay, someone have some questions? Just give me a minute. Yes, you can unmute yourself.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Sorry, this is Anand actually.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask that in services, that one DevOps tool is there, no?
Which one?
In services.
Lots of DevOps tools are available.
Yeah, developer tool it is there, no, sir?
Yes.
That is actually, oh, okay. These tools, okay. I thought what in DevOps it will come now. That is Kubernetes and Ansible, like that. It will comes, no, the tool. That
Actually,
also will available. I thought it is that those tools also available, or what? This is different tool, huh?
actually, two types of DevOps are available. Okay.
Okay.
One, you can use third-party software, just like you know about that word, Jenkins.
Correct.
Right.
Yes.
So that is nothing but what? Third-party software. And
Okay.
AWS also provide you that facility that is called code commit. If you know about that little bit of Jenkins, what we will do, we will build our code, we will commit our code, we will deploy through the pipeline.
Okay.
Right. So these are the option based on AWS. Meaning of that, AWS DevOps engineer.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
AWS DevOps engineer.
Correct.
Okay.
So what you will do, you will deploy the services, but with the help of AWS, not third-party softwares, third-party tools.
Okay.
And you talked me about the Kubernetes. So we have one that is nothing but what? Container. So when we go to the container, you can see Kubernetes service also available.
Okay. Got it. Okay. But what would be the suggestions? Means this is better, or how it is that tools is better? What is the
concept are most important? If you understand the concept, then services are easy for you.
Okay.
Because working method of what we say when we discuss about that code build.
Okay.
Here also same method, same result. Jenkins also provide you same result. Only steps could be different.
Okay. The tool,
right.
how
Based on the service, options are different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Welcome. Yeah.
Thank you.
So whatever we are discussing, all the services are available in the service option. You can access from this, or you can go to the search box and direct you can type it here. Okay. And you will get same words and you can start the services. Yeah. So these two options. After that, folks, come to the right hand side. First, it will show you your name, what you type when account will create. Okay. So just click on that name. You will get first option that is called account ID. It is most important. Most of the services will use this account ID to communicate, or we can say to work with that. Okay. So that's why account ID, if someone is asking you what is your account ID, or some services you need to type your account ID. So at that time, just click on your name and you will get your account ID. Okay. And related to your account, all the informations are available in this account name only. Okay. You can download your previous month bill. You can check previous month how many services you visited and what are the charges. For example, last month, I'm talking about corporate account. For example, in the last month, your organization will get a bill. For example, yeah, $400. Okay. Yeah, that is last month. But right now, this month, what happened? They will get $450 bill. Okay. So definitely they will ask you why we will get $450 bill where 50 is extra. So what you can do, you can go to your account section. We'll discuss in upcoming session how you can go for that. You can go to the billing dashboard and you can download previous month bill and last bill, whatever is generated. And you can tell to your superiors or managers or team leader, hey, that's why we are getting extra $50 because XYZ region, these services are started extra. That is not in the last month, that is started in this month only. Okay, so everything you will get in a detailed manner. So nothing is hide. You can what we say, add a notification. So every month you will get a notification based on your usage or based on your free condition also. For example, EC2 instance server. If you started the server, so what Amazon is saying, every month you will get 750 hours. Okay. Now you need a notification. So you can add a notification when your services will reach till 700 hours. You will get email alert. 700 hours completed. So you will be active. Oh, only 50 hours is remain. And that 50 hours, we can stop the server, we can delete the server, or we can use. Okay. So these notifications also you can add based on your condition. Or you can write it instead of hours, dollar. For example, your company monthly limit is nothing but what? $300. Okay. So you can set when your services will reach till, yeah, $250. You will get notification on email ID, and that is not in one. 10 email IDs are there, for example. So same, when your services will reach till this 250 limit, you will get notification. So all members will active. Oh, only 5 days are remain, and till now we used $250. Okay, so based on that, multiple notifications we have, we'll discuss how can we add that and what is the method, what is the steps and all. Yeah, so hope it is clear to everyone, folks, right? Is it clear to everyone? Just give me a quick confirmation on the chat box. Okay, so yeah, okay. Thank you. So anyone have any doubt, any question till now? If you have, please raise your hand so we can discuss about that. Okay. Yeah. If you don't have any questions, so yeah, as of now, no doubts. Thank you. So today we will stop here, folks. I request to everyone, when you are coming on Monday, please activate your account. Create today only or tomorrow, depend on your free time. Okay. And complete the process, free tier account. So from the Monday, you can practice whatever services we are discussing here. Okay, we are in a starting mode. That's why we are going little bit slow motion, we can say. Only one service is completed. That is how to create a free tier account and what are the free limits that we'll discuss till now only. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining, folks. If any question, again, you can raise your hand. If you don't have question, not an issue. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah. Good night. Happy weekend, folks. Welcome all of you. Same, after completing this, you will get a recordings also in your registered in that WhatsApp group. Okay. Yeah.